must be willing to accept that things that we grew up with are no longer the things that our young people are growing up with. And we can only do that if we humble ourselves and begin to learn all over again. So with that, I will show up with a humble heart. I know that the Senate will stand up and be the leaders that this country deserves. So ako po'y nagpapakumbaba muli, nagpapasalamat sa inyong tiwala sa akin, and I am ready to serve my 4th term. Thank you very much.
May we request Commissioner Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr. to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Vicente Castelo Soto III.
The newly elected senators of the Republic, honored guests, good afternoon. We, the chairman and the commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Vicente Castelo Soto III as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years, ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. Given this 17th day of May, 2025, in the city of Manila, Philippines, signed George Erwin M. Garcia, Chairman, and Amy P. Ferolino, Ray E. Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr., Nelson J. Celis, Maria Norina S. Tangaro Casingal, Noli R. Pipo Commissioners, attested by Teopisto E. Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
Si Tito Soto po o Vicente Castelo Soto III ay unang nakilala bilang TV host at singer.
Pero hindi na bago sa kanya ang serbisyo publiko, lalo't ilan sa mga prominenteng kaanak niya ay naging politiko rin, kabilang na ang kanyang lolo na si dating Senador Vicente
May
Yap
we request
Soto.
the family and friends of Senator Soto
1988 nang manalo siya bilang Vice Mayor ng Quezon City.
At noong 1992 elections, nanalo siya bilang senador.
Sa kabuuan po, naka-4 na termino na siya bilang senador.
Naging Senate President siya noong 2018 at titingnan natin kung this incoming Congress ay siya ang uupo. Taong 2022, nang sumubok siya tumakbo sa pagka-Vice President, pero hindi siya pinalad doon.
So ngayon iniintay natin yung kanyang pamilya na umakyat sa stage para naman sa kanilang photo opportunity. At nakita nga natin kanina na kasama niya yung kanyang mga anak, kasama si Vice Mayor ng Quezon City, Gian Soto.
At isa si Senator Soto, siya yung pinakamaraming boto doon sa mga administration ticket.
Oh, number 5 siya sa Luzon at number 11 sa Visayas.
So, ang nakita tayo ng interview sa kanya, yung slate nila was hoping at least 8 to 9, pero ang na-manage nila ay 6 na positions. So ito po yung pamilya ni Senator Soto. Alam mo kanina, balikan lang natin yung mga interviews, no? Si Senator-elect Villar.
And may we request Senator Soto to give us a short message.
The Chairman and the Commissioners of the Commission on Elections at sa makapangyarihang mamamayang Pilipino, ang pinakamahalaga at una sa lahat ay ang aking pagpapasalamat sa Panginoon Diyos. Lahat ng kapurihan at karangalan ay sa Kanya. I would like to thank all those who supported and helped me during this campaign. The Allianza of the President, especially my family, and my beloved wife, Helen. gagampanan ko ang tungkulin na inyong binigay sa akin sa abot ng aking makakaya. Makakaasa kayo na buong puso at kaisipan ko na kayo'y paglilingkuran. In the Philippine Senate, from 1916 to the present, I am privileged to be the first and presently the only senator who have been elected 5 terms or 5 times. In these terms, I have made legislations and principally authored 259 laws that improved and elevated the lives of the Filipinos. In this 5th term, I will exercise oversight on existing laws to ensure that it is properly implemented. I will make sure that the budget of the government is used correctly. And most of all, I will make certain to restore the good image, integrity, and independence of the institution. Nais ko pong mag-iwan ng maayos na legasiya, hindi lamang para sa aking sarili, kundi para sa mga nauna po sa akin, sila Senator Vicente Yap Soto at Senator Filemon Soto, and most especially for the future generations of Sotos who will serve the Filipino people. My utmost gratitude to the millions of Filipinos who have given me their trust and confidence, and most especially to the great architect of the universe, my God. Ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat, mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Thank you very much, Senator Soto. May we request Chairman George Erwin M. Garcia to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Panfilo Morena Lacson.
The National Board of Canvassers, we, the Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as a National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Panfilo Morena Lacson as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the 1987 Constitution, Republic of the Philippines. Given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, George Erwin Garcia, Chairman, Commissioners Amy P. Ferulino, Ray E. Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr., Nelson J. Celis, Maria Norina S. Tangaro Casingal, and Noli R. Pipo. Attested to Fisto E. Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
Naman si Senator Ping Lacson o Panfilo Morena Lacson ay isang dating Police General at nakatatlong termino bilang senador.
1971 nang maging bahagi siya ng Metrocom Intelligence and Security Group.
1986, nanalbihan siya sa Anti-Carnapping Task Force ng nooy Constabulary Integrated National Police.
Sa mga sumunod na taon, umakyat ang ranggo niya sa PNP hanggang italaga siya bilang hepe ng Task Force Habagat ng Presidential Anti-Crime Commission noong 1992.
1999 naman Tina nang i-appoint siya bilang hepe ng PNP sa ilalim ng administrasyon ni Noy Pangulong Joseph Estrada.
Eleksyon 2001 nang manalo siya sa senatorial race at nasundan ito noong 2007 at 2016 elections.
Noong 2013, sa ilalim ng Administrasyong Aquino, itinalaga siya bilang Presidential Assistant for Rehabilitation and Recovery.
2 beses na ring tumakbo sa pagkapangulo si Lacson noong 2004 at 2022 elections pero nabigo po siya.
Yung nga si Senator-elect Lacson ay isa doon sa 4 na mga nagbabalik na mga senador natin at ikalawa dun sa pinakamaraming boto doon sa ticket ng administrasyon. Yung 4 na iba pa si
Senator Lacson for his message.
Matagal-tagal ko na rin kakilala si Chairman Garcia, no? At kung di ako nagkakamali, kami magkababayan sa lalawigan ng Cavite. Pero hindi ko akalain na ganito pala siya